Hi there, welcome back to my channel. Are you ready to do an unboxing with me? Because I have a really pretty style that we don't hear a whole lot about. This is Wille Wanted, and I'm going to show it to you in dark chocolate rooted. And I'm also wearing Envy Kris in dark brown. So you get to see two brunettes, you get to see two wigs, but one unboxing, and I'm going to show you what I do to make it mine. I really do enjoy doing unboxings with you because so many times I get asked the question, what did you do to that wig to make it look like that? It doesn't look anything like the stock photo does. And honestly, stock photos, throughout most of the brands, I'm not going to say all of them, but so many of the stock photos do not look anything like the actual wig if you just give it a shake and just get in and do some simple styling with your hands. So it's really just a matter of getting in with the wig, making it your own, and I do love to show the potential that I think that every wig has when I get it out of the box. But let me start off and thank TL Wigs for sending me Wanted so I can show it to you today. TL Wigs is a wonderful, trustworthy online retailer. They carry all the major name brands, they ship internationally, and they have a very active and a private Facebook support group that we invite you to join us there by just clicking the link that I'm going to have down in the description box below. On that Facebook support group that's called Support, Inspiration, and Education, and you're going to find all three of those things on that Facebook support group. You're going to be able to connect with almost 5,000 members that love wigs just like you do. You're going to be able to hear about sales and giveaways. It is a wonderful place to be, so we hope to see you there. And if you like what you see today with Wille Wanted, you can go down in that description box. I'm going to have a link that's going to take you directly over to tlwigs.com. You can use the code ANDI35 and you're going to save 35% on Wanted. And I'm also going to have a link to that Facebook support group as well. And if you want to see my full review of Envy Kris, I will have a link to this down in the description box for you as well. So let me give you a quick spin of this really cute pixie. This is Envy Kris in dark brown. And this is actually out of all of my wigs. And you all probably know I have a lot of wigs, but this is one of my husband's very favorite styles. Whenever I put this on, he always says, that's really pretty. I like that. It's just got a really pretty shape to it, really pretty nape. The nape stays very close to my neck, never moves. Just a really cute style. It's low density. This is dark brown, really pretty brunette from Envy. You know I love Envy's colors. I love the blendings of their colors. I just think they do a really, really nice job with their color line. But just a really cute pixie. So now let's get busy and get unboxing this Wille Wanted. I actually opened the box and I flipped the lid up just to see the color. And you can see right there, it's really pretty. And but I haven't taken it out of the netting or anything like that. So let me go ahead and do that and take the tag off, and I'll be right back. Okay, so here we go. This is Wille Wanted, and let's just look at those beautiful waves. Isn't that so pretty? Wille calls these soft, open barrel waves, is what they call them. And even though this is regular synthetic, this is not heat friendly. So we've got regular synthetic fibers. And Wille says to only use a wide tooth comb on these waves or curls. So before we pop it on, let's take a look at the cap for Wille Wanted. We have an extended lace front. It runs all the way down into the ear tabs. And we've got a deep left mono part. Looks like it goes back to the crown, which is really nice. So fairly decent parting space there. We've got closed ear tabs with stays in it. And we have a soft extended nape with stays in it. And we have Velcro adjusters. You can see where I have my Velcro adjusters. And I will let you know with a 21 1/4 inch head circumference if I need to make any adjustments to the cap. But let's see the stretch that we get in this cap. And that's a decent amount of stretch. They say that this is a petite average cap. So I will let you know how this fits on my head. Okay, I'm excited to try Wanted and see what this looks like because, you know, I love and I'm all about big hair. I love curls and bounce, and I just love volume. So let's take a look at Wanted. I'm going to tell you right now, this cap is very stretchy. Feels really good. Give it a good flip. Woo! That's pretty. And I want to express my appreciation again to TL Wigs, and I'm going to tell you what happened. I had shown Ellen Villa Onda in an unboxing, I think, of Madison. But I've done a full review of Onda as well, of course. But in the unboxing for Madison, I had Onda on, which is one of my very favorite styles. I love Onda. It's got these beautiful curls. I'll put a picture up here so you can see it. But I had so many people that reached out to me and said, can you give me an idea of a longer style that looks like Onda? So I reached out to the owner of TL Wigs, who is Tracy, and she's wonderful. And I said, Tracy, I've got so many people asking me for a longer version of Onda, and I don't know what to tell them on that. And she said, Ellen Villa Wanted. It is very much like Onda with the curls and just the voluminous nature of the style, but it's longer, and I'm going to send it to you so you can show everybody. So that is how I got Wanted, and thanks again to Tracy at TL Wigs for sending me this beautiful style. Oh, wow, this is so pretty. And again, it's regular synthetic, so very, very low maintenance. And because it's regular synthetic, you will sometimes get a little more shine on it than you would if it was heat-friendly synthetic. So I always tell you what you can do. Hold on and I'll get you what I have. So I always say have a bottle of dry shampoo. This is just one I got at the Target. And this is just a dark hair dry shampoo. So I could spray it on these fibers and it would dull that shine down instantly. So let me spin around and show you this from all sides. This has some long layers in it. I think I am just going to take my wide tooth comb, I'm going to spritz it with some water and break the zigzag part up here. You know what I forgot to do? I forgot to shake it. I never ever put a wig on my head without shaking it, and I forgot to shake it. So let's give Wanted a few good shakes here. Pop it back on. When you shake it, it just really wakes those fibers up, gets it away from the cap. And so that's what I'm going to do here. Just going to rake my fingers through these fibers. It might be a good thing that I didn't shake it because, you know, so many times I say stock photos are not good representations of what the actual wig looks like. When you just give it a good shake, you rake those fibers. I would really love to know the answer to that, to be honest with you, because they're really hurting their sales, because people that don't watch wig reviews and they just look at stock photos, well, they don't really get to see how pretty the wig is. So let's see what it looks like now after I just gave it a good little shake. Pull it up to my hairline. So you can see there, that's so easy just to give it a little bit of volume. Oh, these curls, so pretty. I always say, Ellen Villa, the way they do their curls, I think they're right up there with the top, if they're not the top. Really beautiful. So I'm going to put up here a stock photo picture of Ellen Villa Wanted, so you can see what you're going to be looking at on the stock photos. If you're looking at Wanted, this is what you're going to see right here. And you can just see, look what I did to this, very, very little. And also, let me put up here a picture of the beautiful owner of TL Wigs, Tracy. And this is a style that she loves. So look how pretty that looks on her. So let me go break the zigzag part up here, and then I'll be right back. Okay, this is beautiful. Let me just spray it with some water. I'm going to show you that left mono part there. It goes all the way back to the crown, so it's very deep. And let me just tell you, this has permatease all over it. Ellen Villa is known as one of the brands that are a lower density brand, and this one does have a lot of permatease on it, and isn't that so pretty? And here is that extended lace front, beautifully done, runs down into the ear tabs. And I told you I have a 21 1/4 inch head circumference, and this cap fits me really nicely. So spring really does kick off wedding season, and I think this would make a beautiful style to go to a wedding in. And like I said, these are regular synthetic fibers, you all. So if you don't like heat friendly because you don't want to deal with taking heat to the fibers to keeping them smooth and keeping them from fraying, this might be one that you will want to take a look at. It's really not one that we hear a whole lot about. We don't really hear a lot about Wanted. I think it's been out, I don't know, maybe 3 years. I would say it's a solid medium density wig. You have a lot of fiber on this and quite a bit of permatease. So let's see if I can get a little volume on the top just with my fingers. And you can see I didn't spend a whole lot of time making this what it looks like now. Very, very simple to just get it out of the box and shake it, get my fingers in, tuck it, pull some down here on the side. We have a French piece of 7 inches. The sides are 11.5. The crown is 12 inches. The nape is 11.25. And this only weighs 4.8 ounces. Really lightweight feeling on my head. And like I said, this cap fits me really nicely. Now, I think I'm just going to speed this part up just so you can see me do a few different styles. So if you would rather me not speed this part up, if you would rather me actually kind of talk you through the styling part, let me know down in the comments. I love to hear from you. I love to hear suggestions. But there it is, just with one side up. That's one of my very favorite looks. I've said before, I think that doing this just with one side up is almost as formal of a look as a full updo. I just think that that is a really elegant, beautiful look that anybody can really pull off. Let's talk about this really beautiful brunette color. This is dark chocolate rooted. And again, the color combination on this is 433 and 2. So it is described as the darkest dark brown with dark auburn blend and shaded. It has a little bit of dimension in it. That 33 is that dark auburn with the very dark root. Really just a beautiful blending of colors. Gorgeous brunette. And I'm also going to show this to you in some outdoor lighting as well. This is big hair at its finest. So if you don't like big hair and you don't like curls, you don't like permatease, this is not the style for you, because this is a higher density wig with a lot of fiber on it, but still very lightweight. And if you would like to get one, just go down in that description box right below this video. You can go down in the description box, click that link, it'll take you over to tlwigs.com. You can use the code ANDI35 at checkout, and you will save 35% on Ellen Villa Wanted. So thank you for joining me today for this review of this beautiful style. Thanks again to TL Wigs for sending me Wanted so I could review it for you today. I hope that you're having a wonderful day, and I'll see you in the next video.